Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome. A masterpiece of design and engineering, this motorhome sets new standards for both comfort and power. Let's explore what makes it stand out in the crowded world of luxury RVs. First, let's talk about the interior. Mercedes is known for its high-quality craftsmanship, and the 2026 motorhome is no exception. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and elegantly designed living area that blends modern aesthetics with functional luxury. The materials used throughout are of the highest quality, from plush leather seating to fine wood finishes. The living room area includes a large flat-screen TV, a high-end sound system, and a panoramic window for breathtaking views on the road. The kitchen is fully equipped with the latest appliances, including a built-in coffee machine, a refrigerator, and even a wine cooler for those who enjoy the finer things in life. The bedroom, with a king-size bed, offers unmatched comfort, and the ensuite bathroom features premium fixtures, ensuring that you have all the comforts of home even when you're on the move. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is a true work of art. With its sleek, aerodynamic design, it cuts through the wind effortlessly, improving both fuel efficiency and handling. The exterior is finished with a high-end metallic paint, which not only looks stunning but also provides durability. The large, retractable awning creates a perfect outdoor space for relaxation, while the custom alloy wheels and signature Mercedes logo add a touch of exclusivity. The motorhome is built on a sturdy yet lightweight chassis, making it easy to handle without sacrificing strength or stability. The attention to detail on the exterior is exceptional, ensuring that this motorhome stands out wherever you go. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is powered by a cutting-edge engine that combines power and efficiency. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling tougher terrains, this motorhome delivers an exceptional driving experience. The 6.0-liter V12 engine, coupled with an advanced suspension system, ensures a smooth ride even on rough roads. The motorhome is equipped with an adaptive transmission system that shifts seamlessly, providing you with the perfect balance between power and comfort. Additionally, the Mercedes Motorhome features advanced drive assist technology, making it easier to navigate tight spaces in crowded streets. It's truly a vehicle that delivers the best of both worlds, luxury and performance. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is undoubtedly a premium product, and its price reflects that. With a starting price of around $300,000, it's not an option for the budget-conscious, but for those seeking the pinnacle of luxury and performance, it offers exceptional value. The price tag includes all the bespoke features, the incredible performance, and the unmatched craftsmanship that comes with the Mercedes name. When you invest in this motorhome, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're investing in a lifestyle. To sum up, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is an extraordinary blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. It offers a level of comfort and sophistication that is unmatched in the world of motorhomes. Whether you're planning a long road trip or simply want the ultimate luxury experience on wheels, the Mercedes Motorhome delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.